Good morning, children. Today we are going to write the notes of Lesson 2. Class 5, Lesson 2. Are you all ready? Yes. Get your notebooks and blue pen and start writing today's date. Start writing today's date first and then write Lesson 2 in the first line. Out of the morning. O-U-T out, O-F off, T-H-E the, M-O-R-N-I-N-G morning. Out of the morning. After writing the name of the lesson, you have to leave a line. Yes, now write Roman number 1 in the left margin and write the heading as Sight Words. Sight Words. S-I-G-H-T, sight, W-O-R-D-S, words, sight words. After writing the heading, again leave a line and start writing the words. Yes, see the first one, children. Morning, morning, M-O-R-N-I-N-G, morning. Second one, mountain, mountain, M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N, mountain. Third one, lilies, lilies, L-I-L-I-E-S, lilies. Fourth one, feathers, feathers, F-E-A-T-H-E-R-S, feathers. Fifth one, countries, countries, C-O-U-N-T-R-I-E-S, countries, countries. Sixth one, scholar, scholar, S-C-H-O-L-A-R, scholar. Seventh one, sailor, sailor, S-A-I-L-O-R, sailor, sailor. Eighth one, pilgrim, pilgrim, P-I-L-G-R-I-M, pilgrim, pilgrim. Shall we see all the words once again? Morning, morning, mountain, mountain, lilies, lilies, feathers, feathers, countries, countries, scholar, scholar, sailor, sailor, pilgrim, pilgrim. After writing sight words, take a fresh page and write Roman number 2 in the left margin and write the heading synonyms and antonyms. Synonyms and antonyms. Children, you all know what are synonyms. Similar meanings. Antonyms, opposite words. Synonyms, similar meanings, and opposites are the antonyms are the opposite words. Write the heading here, Roman number 2, S-Y-N-O-N-Y-M-S, synonyms, A-N-D and A-N-T-O-N-Y-M-S, antonyms, synonyms and antonyms. Leave a line here, leave a line. Children, you all know that we need to divide the page into three parts. The first one will be the word, the second one will be the synonym of the word, and the third one will be the antonym of the word. Okay? Are you all writing, children? Yes, write in Lucida handwriting very neatly. Write slowly. Okay? W-O-R-D, word. Write the heading as a word. S-Y-N-O-N-Y-M, synonym. The second one will be the synonym. And the third one will be the antonym. A-N-T-O-N-Y-M, antonym. If you want, you can take a pencil and a scale and draw lines. Not too dark. Okay, children? Now, see. See the first word, morning. M-O-R-N-I-N-G, morning. What is the synonym of the word morning? Dawn. Dawn. D-A-W-N, dawn. What is the antonym? Dusk. Dusk. D-U-S-K, dusk. Morning, dawn, dusk. Second one, brought, brought, B-R-O-U-G-H-T, brought. What is the synonym of the word brought? Import, import, I-M-P-O-R-T, import. What is the antonym of the word brought? Export, E-X-P-O-R-T, export. Brought, import, export. See the third one. Scholar, scholar, S-C-H-O-L-A-R, scholar, S-C-H-O-L-A-R, scholar. Synonym is intellectual, intellectual, I-N-T-E-L-L-E-C-T-U-A-L, intellectual, intellectual. What is the antonym of the word scholar? Ignoramus, ignoramus, I-G-N-O-R-A-M-U-S, ignoramus, ignoramus. Scholar, intellectual, ignoramus. Next word, wise, wise, W-I-S-E, wise. What is the synonym? Knowledgeable, knowledgeable, K-N-O-W-L-E-D-G-E-A-B-L-E, knowledgeable, K-N-O-W-L-E-D-G-E-A-B-L-E, knowledgeable. What is the antonym of the word wise? Foolish, foolish, F-O-O-L-I-S-H, foolish, foolish. Wise, knowledgeable, foolish. See the next word. Famous, famous, F-A-M-O-U-S, famous. What is the synonym of the word famous? Prominent, prominent, P-R-O-M-I-N-E-N-T, prominent. What is the antonym of the word famous? Infamous, infamous, I-N-F-A-M-O-U-S, infamous. Once again, we'll revise, children. See the word morning, morning. Synonym of the word morning is dawn. Antonym is dusk. Morning, dawn, dusk. Next word, brought. Synonym of brought is import. Antonym of brought is export. Brought, import, export. Next word, scholar, scholar. Synonym of scholar is intellectual. Antonym is ignoramus. Scholar, intellectual, ignoramus, ignoramus. Next one, what is the word? Wise. Synonym of wise is knowledgeable. Antonym of wise is foolish. Next word, famous. Synonym of famous is prominent. Antonym of famous is infamous. Famous, prominent, infamous. Did you complete, children? See the next Roman, children. Third Roman. Write Roman number 3 on the left margin and write answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. A-N-S-W-E-R, answer. T-H-E, the. F-O-L-L-O-W-I-N-G, following. Q-U-E-S-T-I-O-N-S, questions. Answer the following questions. After this, leave a line and write first question. See the first question. What does the speaker want to know about morning or day? W in capital, children. W-H-A-T, what? D-O-E-S, does. T-H-E, the. S-P-E-A-K-E-R, speaker. W-A-N-T, want. T-O-2, K-N-O-W, no. A-B-O-U-T, about. M-O-R-N-I-N-G, morning, in quotations. O-R, or. D-A-Y, day. Day is also quotations. Then end the sentence with question mark. What does the speaker want to know about morning or day? What is the answer? The speaker wants to know if morning or day are real places and if she can see them. T-H-E, T capital, T-H-E, the, S-P-E-A-K-E-R, speaker, W-A-N-T-S, wants, T-O-2, K-N-O-W, no, I-F-If, M-O-R-N-I-N-G, morning, quotation marks, O-R-R, D-A-Y, day, quotation marks, A-R-E-R, R-E-A-L, real, P-L-A-C-E-S, places, A-N-D, and, I-F-If, S-H-E, she, C-A-N, can, S-E-E-C, T-H-E-M, them. Full stop. The speaker wants to know if morning or day are real places and if she can see them. Again, children, what does the speaker want to know about morning or day? The speaker wants to know if morning or day are real places and if she can see them. See the second question answer, children. Does the speaker guess or know what a morning or a day looks like? D-O-E-S, does, D capital. T-H-E, the, S-P-E-A-K-E-R, speaker, G-U-E-S-S, guess, O-R-R, K-N-O-W, no, W-H-A-T, what, a, morning, M-O-R-N-I-N-G, morning, quotation marks, O-R-R, a, D-A-Y, day, quotation marks, L-O-O-K-S, looks, L-I-K-E, like, question mark. Does the speaker guess or know what a morning or a day looks like? Answer. The speaker tries to guess if their feet look like water lilies and if they have feathers like birds. Full stop. T-H-E, the, T capital, S-P-E-A-K-E-R, speaker, T-R-I-E-S, tries, T-O-2, G-U-E-S-S, guess, I-F-If, T-H-E-I-R, their, F-E-E-T, feet, L-O-O-K, look, L-I-K-E, like, look like, water lilies, W-A-T-E-R, water, hyphen, L-I-L-I-E-S, lilies, water lilies, and I-F-If, T-H-E-Y, they, H-A-V-E, have, F-E-A-T-H-E-R-S, feathers, L-I-K-E, like, B-I-R-D-S, birds. Birds. The speaker tries to guess if their feet look like water lilies and if they have feathers like birds. Does the speaker guess or know what a morning or a day looks like? The speaker tries to guess if their feet look like water lilies and if they have feathers like birds. Leave a line and write the third one, children. Third question. What does the speaker ask of the scholar and the sailor? Question mark. W-H-A-T, what? D-O-E-S, does. T-H-E, the. What does the? S-P-E-A-K-E-R, speaker. A-S-K, ask. O-F, off. T-H-E, the. S-C-H-O-L-A-R, scholar. A-N-D, and. T-H-E, the. S-A-I-L-O-R, sailor. Question mark. What does the speaker ask of the scholar and the sailor? What does the speaker ask of the scholar and the sailor? What is the answer? The speaker asks the scholar and the sailor to tell her where this place called morning is. The speaker asks the scholar and the sailor to tell her where this place called morning is. T-H-E, the, T in capital, S-P-E-A-K-E-R, speaker, A-S-K-S, asks, asks, T-H-E, the, S-C-H-O-L-A-R, scholar, A-N-D, and T-H-E, the, S-A-I-L-O-R, sailor, T-O-2, T-E-L-L, tell, H-E-R, her, W-H-E-R-E, where, T-H-I-S, this, P-L-A-C-E, place, C-A-L-L-E-D, called, M-O-R-N-I-N-G, morning, I-S, is. The speaker asks the scholar and the sailor to tell her where this place called morning is. Once again, we'll see the third one, children. What does the speaker ask of the scholar and the sailor? The speaker asks the scholar and the sailor to tell her where this place called morning is. Write down, children. There are only 3 question and answers. Yes, write neatly in Lucida handwriting with proper strokes. Thank you, children.